Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you what I packed in these Operation Christmas Child boxes, and this is for the age range of a 10 to 14-year-old girl and boy. So if you're looking for any ideas, then hopefully you find this to be helpful. So first I'll be starting off with the girl box, and this is just an overview of how inside looks. So the first item is a pencil case, and inside is safety scissors along with pencils and pens. And then there's deodorant, some nails, a softball, some Play-Doh, a TY, and another TY, and it's a little teddy. Then inside here it has some scrunchies, hair clips, and just different hair accessories, and there's also some jewelry. Then there is some pencil crayons, and it also comes with a sharpener. And then a book. This is some, I was supposed to say toothpaste. This is a toothbrush. And a bar of soap, and you always want to make sure to put that in a plastic baggie. Then this is some lip chap. And some socks, and I love the design of this, little Minnie Mouse socks. And then a flashlight, a washcloth, a hair comb, a t-shirt, and I love what this says. I'm going to open it up for you. It says, "Today I will shine." Love that saying, and it has some butterflies on it as well. And then some flip-flops. Love the print on there, very pretty. And then last but not least is a Christmas card, and there's a picture of me and my family. Here's a little overview of how inside of the box looks. So first I'll be starting off with some hygiene items. So there's a washcloth, a bar of soap, a toothbrush, and deodorant. Then a little soft stuffed animal. And there's 2 cars and a fire truck. And this is a soccer pen. And this is a little game. And a calculator. And there is a softball, and has a little happy face, and a football. And some Play-Doh. A flashlight. Some socks, and a sleeveless shirt, and we're from Canada, so we wanted to include that in there. I'm just gonna show you the design. It's really nice. And some underwear. So for any socks, underwear, and clothing, always make sure to pack it in the biggest size in the age category. And there's a pencil case, and inside of the pencil case is safety scissors, pencils, and pens. And some pencil crayons, and this also comes with a sharpener. And a notebook. And last but not least, a really cute Christmas card, and I included a picture of me and my family.